Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ideally Simple Decor, and I'm Iris Arrington. I'm going to create a tray to go on my table for this holiday season, either the table or the counter this holiday season. And I'm going to use the fine gold glitter, some bronze glitter, my Mod Podge, some masking tape, of course the Elmer's adhesive spray. I think I'm going to use this. And I've got a little device here that I use when I use stencils, and we're going to be using these stencils. I've got different designs on these stencils. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. I'm going to just decide when we're doing this. And paintbrush. I purchased this tray in, believe it or not, the Dollar Tree. It's not as heavy as the rest of the trays that you see out there that you put, like at the end of your bed, or use it for a serving tray. But it suits my purpose for the fact that I want to use it on my table in a design. The only thing that upsets me is I went to the Dollar Tree, and if you notice on the bag, it says everything $1. Well, I'd like to know why I paid $5 for the 2 trays that I got. Dollar Tree, give me an explanation. All right, let's get started. I've got my paper towels all spread out. Here's my tray. I am going to take my Elmer's adhesive spray, and I'm going to use the bronze as an accent and the gold as the covering for my tray. And this is, again, this is the extra fine glitter. I always put out paper towels to catch my glitter. So I'm going to spray this side. And of course, make sure you're in a well-ventilated place when you're using this adhesive spray. And now I'm going to take and put my glitter on here, which I should have opened it before I did that. But we're going to do it this way. Add my glitter to this. All right, I sprinkled my glitter on the top of this. I apologize, you couldn't see that a few minutes ago. So what I'm going to do is take my finger and sort of mash it down on there. Make sure it's hitting all the spots. And I'm going to put it down. Okay. There we go. So now that I have some glitter on my napkin, I'm going to do the side a little different. I'm going to spray the side. Add a little bit more glitter to my napkin, and I'm going to press my side down onto the glitter. If you can see the glitter down there. Press it down onto the glitter. Now I can sprinkle some more on the side here. Cool design right there, but I want it fully covered, so all right. All right, just because I want to make sure that I like the way that's covered. Isn't that pretty? That covered really well. The sides are done and the ends are done. I've put the residual glitter back into the container and I'm going to spray the inside here. I've got some glitter already in there from where I just laid it on to the sides, but that's fine. I'm going to spray over top of it. I'm going to put it down one side just like this, and I'm going to let it flow down across my tray. So I can get full coverage on the inside of my tray. Just keep twirling it around until I cover the whole bottom half of my tray. All right. Because I want this covered as well, I'm going to use a little Mod Podge on the edging. This is dried a little bit. I know I told you I was gonna put the bronze on there the next after this has dried, but I think I'm gonna add this champagne. It's just a little bit different than the gold, and the room in which I'm going to use it in is a champagne colored room. So I think that this probably will just get that nice tone that I like to have in my room for the holidays. So this is what I'm doing is I'm adding Mod Podge. Now I'm going to put a coat of Mod Podge all the way around this on the inside, and then I'm going to take this, sprinkle it on, spread it around. So I've got my glitter on here, and I'm going to put a little bit more on the inside. Same color, the champagne color. Put it in the inside. As you can see, it's really bright and very gold right here. And here it's toned down a whole lot. That's really pretty, and that matches my room very well. Alrighty, thanks again for tuning in. This is Ideally Simple Decor signing off. Thank you for subscribing, and those who have not, please do so at this time. Hit that notification bell. I'm on every Monday, and I may be on another day coming soon. So keep an eye out. We love you for everything that you do. Stay blessed. Bye.